Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the drone community, the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the fresh leaks surrounding its features, design, pricing, and global release. The buzz is stronger than ever, and with so many new details surfacing online, this ultralight drone could be shaping up to be DJI's most exciting launch in years. Let's break down everything you need to know, from leaked images and specs to global availability, and even a sneak peek at DJI's future with the rumored Avatar 3 FPV drone. The wave of excitement in the drone world. A new wave of excitement has swept across the drone community after a major leak revealed images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. What's fascinating here is that these images weren't just blurry shots or fan-made renders. Instead, they came directly from an online retailer's accidental listing update, which gave drone enthusiasts one of the clearest looks at this upcoming powerhouse. Immediately, fans noticed something that sparked pure joy: the return of the click-on propellers. For those who've struggled with screw-on blades in the Mini 3 or Mini 4 series, this is a massive upgrade. Gone are the days of carrying mini screwdrivers and fiddling with tiny screws after a crash. Just snap them on and keep flying. Simple, quick, and convenient. Longtime DJI users, especially those who loved the Spark and Mavic Air, know exactly how game-changing this small detail can be. ND filters and a camera ready for cinematics. Another massive reveal is the clip-on ND filters specifically designed for the Mini 5 Pro's new 1-inch sensor. This means we're getting ND8, ND16, and ND128 options, perfect for pushing cinematic image quality to rival higher-end models like the DJI Mavic 4. Content creators and aerial cinematographers are thrilled because ND filters allow precise control over light, motion blur, and exposure, turning everyday flights into professional-grade footage. On the lens front, leaks confirm E24 f1.8, signaling better low-light performance and smoother depth of field control. While some skeptics doubt if this compact drone can compete with pro-level DJI models, the upgrades suggest otherwise. DJI is clearly narrowing the gap between ultralight drones and professional rigs. Launch date and insider confirmations. The buzz hit new heights when well-known DJI leaker Ann Keat shared a leaked image of the Mini 5 Pro and confirmed the official launch date, September 16, 2025. This lines up with DJI's history of mid-September product drops, which usually build up into massive global events. Adding even more weight to the rumors, insider Maro Tandoy revealed detailed pricing breakdowns without VAT, $614, drone only with a 37-minute battery, $742, drone plus RC2 controller $922, Fly More Combo, 37-minute battery, $986, Fly More Combo, extended 52-minute battery. This transparent leak sparked both excitement and debates, as the pricing positions the Mini 5 Pro right in the sweet spot between affordability and pro-level capability. The US release and FCC clearance a big question for American drone enthusiasts, is whether the Mini 5 Pro will officially launch in the United States. The good news, it has already been registered with the US Federal Communications Commission, a strong signal that DJI plans to bring it stateside. However, availability may face temporary hurdles. Current US customs enforcement under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act has caused import slowdowns for some DJI products. Retailers like Best Buy and B&H have seen shortages. Still, DJI has publicly confirmed it has no plans to withdraw from the US market. Translation? The Mini 5 Pro is coming to America, though stock could be limited at launch. Retail box leaks and major endurance upgrade. One of the most exciting leaks is the retail box art showing the DJI Mini 5 Pro bundled with the powerful DJI RC2 controller. This controller includes a built-in display, meaning you won't need to juggle your smartphone anymore. Out of the box, you'll have a pro-level controller that keeps the focus entirely on flying. But that's not even the biggest reveal. The packaging highlights 52 minutes x 3. That suggests the Fly More combo could include 3 extended batteries, each offering up to 52 minutes of flight time. In total, pilots could enjoy more than 2.5 hours of airtime with one kit. This is a groundbreaking upgrade for ultralight drones, especially for travelers, content creators, and aerial surveyors who need extended flight sessions. DJI, Mini 5 Pro pricing for accessories leaks also exposed accessory pricing in US dollars, giving us a clear idea of DJI's strategy: intelligent flight battery, 69 battery plus, extended flight, 99 two-way charging hub, 49 propellers, 19 quick-release propeller guard with propellers, 69 ND filter set, ND8, ND32, ND128, 55 care refresh plans, $80, 1 year, $120, 2 years. These prices reflect DJI's push to make accessories accessible while still offering premium upgrades for power users. Why the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be a game changer: the combination of an upgraded camera system, pro-level ND filters, extended flight endurance, and advanced controller integration makes the Mini 5 Pro a potential game changer in the sub-250G drone category. DJI seems to be targeting multiple audiences at once: hobbyists who want lightweight convenience, vloggers seeking cinematic footage, and semi-professional pilots who don't want to lug around bulkier models. With its global launch expected in mid-September 2025, DJI is clearly positioning the Mini 5 Pro as the next must-have drone for creators. A peek at the DJI Avata 3, FPV innovation on the horizon. While the Mini 5 Pro dominates headlines, another leak has given us an early look at the DJI Avata 3, the company's next FPV drone. Trusted insider Igor Badanov shared images revealing significant design changes: a larger front-facing camera module for improved image quality. Battery placement moved to the back, freeing space for better camera performance. Removal of the signature. Orange bumpers seen on the Avata 2A new 4-blade propeller system, designed to boost speed, efficiency, and handling. Based on DJI's past release cycles, the Avata 3 could arrive between October 2025 and March 2026, likely around the holiday season. Rumors suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor with enhanced low-light performance, potentially setting a new benchmark for FPV drones. Final thoughts: DJI's future looks bright. From everything we've seen so far, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of 2025. It blends portability with pro-level performance in a way that could redefine expectations for ultralight drones. Meanwhile, the DJI Avata 3 leaks show that DJI isn't slowing down in the FPV sector either. Whether you're a filmmaker, a traveler, a hobbyist pilot, or someone eyeing the best drone of 2025, these upcoming models show why DJI remains the industry leader. The leaks are loud, the rumors are convincing, and the excitement is absolutely real. Stay tuned, because as September 16th approaches, DJI is ready to take the skies by storm.